In a shocking incident, popular Punjabi singer Teji Kalon was shot dead in Canada in a targeted attack, highlighting an ongoing feud involving transnational gangs. Social media posts from associates of gangster Rohit Godra named Mahinder Saran Dilana, Rahul Rinav and Vicky Phalwan as the attackers. They claimed Kalon was targeted for allegedly supplying weapons and money to rival gangs and for acting as an informant. Local Canadian authorities have launched an investigation into the attack. Police are reviewing security footage and speaking with witnesses to determine the full circumstances. This attack comes amid a series of violent incidents linked to the Godra gang. Earlier this month, 40-year-old businessman Ramesh Rolania was shot dead while exercising at a gym in Rajasthan's Kuchaman town. CCTV footage captured the assailant entering the premises before the attack. Authorities suspect this murder may be connected to extortion threats from the same gang. Rohit Godra, also known as Rawatram Swami, is a notorious gangster from Loon Karansar in Bikaner. He is believed to be linked to several high-profile killings, including the 2022 murder of Punjabi singer Sidhu Moosewala, the December 2022 killing of gangster Raju Thehat, and December 2023 killing of Karni Sena chief Sukhdev Singh Gogamedi. Police say the Godra gang operates across western Rajasthan and has threatened multiple businessmen in the region. Investigators are working to trace the gang's activities internationally as the shooting of Kalon in Canada demonstrates the global reach of these criminal networks. The attack on Teji Kalon raises serious concerns about the safety of public figures and civilians who may be caught in the crossfire of these gang rivalries. Authorities in both India and Canada are coordinating to bring those responsible to justice. This incident marks another tragic chapter in a series of violent events linked to organized crime, underscoring the need for stricter law enforcement and cross-border cooperation to tackle transnational gangs. This incident marks another tragic chapter in a series of violent events linked to organized crime, underscoring the need for stricter law enforcement and cross-border cooperation to tackle transnational gangs.